Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Talk English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Riya. Today's topic is something you do every single day, but probably don't talk about in English.
That's right. We're talking about daily routines. And if you've ever struggled to describe your day in English, you're not alone.
People often say, I wake up, and then, I do stuff. But don't worry, we're going to make it simple, fun, and useful.
Stay with us till the end, because we have a fun weekend challenge for you,
Why should you learn how to talk about your daily routine?
because it helps you in casual conversations, language exams, interviews, and even journaling or social media posts.
It's one of the best ways to practice fluency and sound natural. Let's meet our first character, Sarah, a university student.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I usually wake up around 6:30 a.m. The first thing I do is stretch and check my phone. Then I brush my teeth, take a shower, and get dressed. I eat a quick breakfast, usually toast and a banana, then head out for my classes by 8 a.m. My classes end around 1 p.m., so I grab lunch with my friends. In the afternoon, I study, read, or do assignments. I go to the gym around 5 p.m. After that, I come home, take another shower, eat dinner with my family, and maybe watch a show on Netflix. By 10:30 p.m., I'm in bed, scrolling through memes or reading something before I fall asleep.
That's a great routine, and so real. Now meet Ramesh. He's a software engineer living in the city.
Hello, I'm Ramesh. My day starts at 7 a.m. I usually drink a glass of warm water, then go for a 15-minute walk. After that, I take a shower and have breakfast. I prefer something light like oats or eggs. I start work at 9 a.m. I mostly work from home, so I log into meetings, reply to emails, and write code. Around 1 p.m., I take a lunch break. I cook something simple or order online. Work usually ends at 6 or 6:30 p.m. In the evening, I unwind by reading or playing video games. Dinner is around 8 p.m. Sometimes I go out with friends. By 11 p.m., I'm ready to sleep.
You can try describing your workday like this.
Now let's talk about weekends. Do your routines change?
They should. Let's hear from both Sarah and Ramesh again.
On weekends, I sleep in, usually till 9 or 10 a.m. I love making pancakes for breakfast and listening to music. I clean my room, do laundry, and sometimes meet friends. I also catch up on YouTube and write in my journal. I usually stay up late on Saturday and sleep early on Sunday.
Weekends are for relaxing. I go to the park, try new recipes, and sometimes watch movies with family. I also plan my week, go grocery shopping, or just take a nap.
Weekend routines are a great way to show your personality in English.
Now it's your turn. Try writing or speaking your own routine in English. Use the words and structure we shared.
Here's a quick pattern you can follow. Morning. What time do you wake up? What do you do first? Daytime. Where do you go? What's your main activity? Evening. How do you relax? What's your dinner like? Night. When do you sleep?
Do this for both weekdays and weekends. Speaking about your routine can help you sound natural and fluent.
Comment below and share one sentence from your daily routine.
And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss our next video.
We'll be back with more real-life conversations to boost your English. Until then, keep practicing and keep speaking.